God damn, the lip, bro.
The lip, bro. The crazy thing is, it's a beautiful day out here in San Francisco, but the moment you touch DC and head back up north, it's foggy as heck. But what is up, you guys? We are back with another video. Bright and early today, heading to my boy Darwin's house. He recently opened up a detail business, I would say. So the homie hit me up and told me to slide through to get my Beamer detailed, washed, and everything. I'm gonna be meeting up Peluchin out there with his MK6 GTI. We're gonna give you guys the full rundown on exactly what detail package we get on the M4 today. And after that, we'll get some cinematics, some rolling video, and hopefully a good photo shoot turnout. But for now, just stay along, enjoy the little clips as we make our way to his house. Oh, yup. Now, mind you, driving with one hand and recording is also not the most advisable, but for you guys, I do it. I think we're gonna turn right on this one. Quick street pull. Oh man, the thing about South City is they have these, I don't know how to explain them, but like these gurneys right here for the water to dissipate. I know LA has that too, but that is one thing I am not a fan of. Just pulled up, and wow, crazy, look, the gas light turned on. But Peluchin is already posted up, my boy Darwin's there. We're gonna get a full review. Tuners andan activos. Darwin, let them know where to tap in.
SSF_detail.
There you go, tap in. I'm gonna drop the IG down below. We're gonna get a full detail on Peluchin's car, and then after that, my car, which is sitting nice and pretty. Breakfast for today.
How much for the week?
Tap in, tap in, tap in. All right, Darwin, give us the full run. What exactly comes with a detail?
A full detail will be full vacuum, full cleaning inside the car, and full wash, you know.
So exterior, interior.
Little details inside.
Interior details.
All that type of stuff.
That guy scoping out his new build. That guy likes the M. Can you handle that car? ¿Crees que tú puedes aguantar la potencia de este carro?
No, I don't know.
This guy, coming from a GTI, do you guys think he's capable of the full bolt-on F82 horsepower? This guy would go crazy though.
You're crazy.
I'm not crazy, I just like my stuff clean and fast. M's gonna go in after. It is pretty dirty. Yeah, if you guys are updated on my Instagram and all, I did bust my lip, but that's the least of it. I'll order a new one. Important thing right now is just gonna be getting this thing detailed, washed with the homie Darwin, and then after that, some pictures and boba for sure. Is this car clean or not?
A little bit dirty.
That guy's a little dirty inside.
A little dirty inside.
We're gonna fix that over here. All full interior car wash, down to the carpets. Better have this thing smelling super clean, super fresh, straight out the dealership, because that guy needs to keep his whip clean. That's one thing you guys got to keep in note, man. Exterior is one thing, interior is another thing. Get on both of them. Straight Beamer power out here. We got the E46 M3 Henry pulled up. M is still dirty. We're waiting on the car wash. Cute ass fool over there. That guy pulled up to the Fast and the Furious house.
This that real thing, right?
That real good stuff?
All that contamination, removes all that type of thing. You know what I mean?
There's a detox right here, huh?
Yeah, detox.
Oh, sheesh. Peluchin is getting blessed. Straight ASMR right here. Not only do they detail cars, they provide the best service. Shout out. Camping chairs on deck, so you can get front row seats at the master at work. Peluchin just finished his wash. It is time to pull the M inside and get the cinematics and full interior exterior detail on this M. Dale, boy.
God damn, the lip, bro.
The lip, bro, is... Dale. Need a helper.
That low light.
The low light. Whip's parked up, sitting pretty. Darwin is gonna do his magic now. Bless this thing up. Like I stated prior, man. Tap in with him. He's going deep with it. All that's left now is just get some cinematics while it's getting cooked up and washed. Getting those wheels prepped up right now. You guys know, and you watched the previous video, we got these wheels ceramic coated, so should be making it a lot easier for my boy to clean up those wheels. I want to see this thing just straight foamed up. That's gonna be the thumbnail for you guys. The rundown, there's a foam cannon right here?
Cannon right here. Little foam cannon action. We're about to see if we put it to work.
Real question is, bro, what inspired you? So what got you to get into the mobile business? Or not mobile yet, but soon to be, but like detailed business.
I like cars.
That's facts, that's facts.
Passion.
Give them the rundown on what your setup used to be back in the day when you were a fast guy with us, running in the streets. Let them know.
Q50, it was just downpipe. Little JB4 tune. E85. But I miss it, but something is in the works.
Something's in the works. Something's coming in the way. But let's get this thing blessed up with the foam cannon. Imagine having an all-white M4. White on white on white. Dang, that thing looks sick, I'm not gonna lie. Changes the whole look of the car. Currently getting detailed. Belluchin finally pulls up. He brought some food for us, we're gonna munch. If you guys don't already follow Belluchin on the Instagram, check him out. And if you guys haven't seen the videos dedicated for his MK6 GTI build, check him out. I'll add them in the video as well.
You ain't down on the block today?
We outside, bro, pull up. Literally feels like the Fast and the Furious house. We got my boy Darwin detailing the M. Belluchin just pulled up with the GTI. The E46 M3 by, well, that's Henry's, posted up. And I thought that was Johnson. I was gonna say, what's up, Johnson, but that's not Johnson. Just putting in that work. And then we have the manager over there, keep making sure that all business stays according to plan and scheduled. All that's really missing is a JDM car, because we have the muscle, Darwin's RT, we got the Mero, we have the Euro cars. All that's missing is JDM, but I know that Johnson's pulling up soon and he has his brand new Accord. Damn, they got my boy Belluchin putting in that overtime right now. I don't know, let's see if this guy actually knows what he's doing. Tapped in with this. It's all right, it's good, it's good. I'll pay you in boba. Hey, I'll pay him with boba and tacos. That's the proper way to pay off your debt. Belluchin putting in the work on the M. E46 up next. GTI fully detailed and everything. Waiting on Johnson to pull up because he's lagging it right now. Darwin is ready to play some beer pong. He got the red cups on deck. That guy, where's the table at? Now, if you guys don't remember, we have the triple chromed TEs on deck. Basically, I have a mirror right here. You guys can kind of see yourselves. Say what's up to yourselves. He's setting up beer pong. We're about to go crazy in this.
He's taking Josecito's job.
He's taking Jose. Oh man, that guy got fancy with it. Okay. Tap in if you need bartending assistance. There's no way. Let me see what that thing does. Let me see what that thing does. But yeah, you guys see it. Homie Johnson's Accord. What's coming for this one, bro? Let him know.
Man, big things.
Big things coming.
You know, the other one, you know, shit happens, but you know, we're about to slam this one out now.
Facts, facts, facts. You guys see it. Fully decked out, fully clean. Carbon is glistening. The roof is glistening. The windows, the wheels. Oh, I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera, but those back wheels, the reflection with the sun hitting right now. Oh, just in time to go shoot up some pictures, get some rolling shots, some fire content and everything. Like I said again, shout out to Darwin. Tap in with him. IG is gonna be tagged down below in the video. Hit him up with anything that you guys might need. First reaction, man, my car smells amazing in here. I don't know what scent my boy Darwin hooked me up with, but it smells gas in here. Like, I'm rocking with it heavy. We're gonna pull out the car. Henry's car is gonna get washed. We'll do some cinematics for him too. Yeah, but chill day today. Stay tuned, get those cinematics through. Let's get it.
Here because I'm trying to push some power.
Darwin, bruh, it's looking like you're getting a lot of Euro clientele, bruh. All I see is Beamer and Volkswagen, straight Euro. I have to call this one SSF European Details. But yeah, you guys see Henry's E46 SMG with the hard top. Overnight parts from Japan, no, Darwin?
Yeah.
What are we working with today? So what came in, bro? Literally the moment we ended everything.
Yeah, the moment we ended everything.
So we got some what?
More stuff.
More stuff coming in. Damn, my boy got some goodies.
Better work, to put out better work.
All the good stuff.
Some wheel cleaner.
Oh, damn, let me see that.
Glass cleaner.
So, you know.
Some car shampoo.
Y'all see it, man.
You know what I mean?
The goodies in
all
here.
All that stuff.
Damn. Interior leather cleaner.
Yeah.
And on top of that, he still has the bottom one. But this guy, my boy cashed out.
Interior.
Last but not least. Come on, Darwin, let me see them muscles, bro. There we go. Ooh. Piece de resistance. Got a little foam cannon in there.
Yeah. That's a little better foam cannon.
Damn, my boy's upgrading already and he just started.
Got two of them.
Two, damn.
Two of them.
So y'all know where to tap in, y'all know where to pull up to. He does it all, y'all. Tapped in. Emma's looking way too nice perched up right here with the tree in the back and everything. Every angle just hidden. But there you guys have it. Interior is mint right now. Carpets are all clean, windows, everything. Check my boy out. We're gonna go pump some gas and pretty much rounds down the video for today. It's like super hot out and I'm about to go take some pictures. If you guys don't already follow me on the IG, tap in. Pictures might be posted up on there and you guys can check them out. But as of right now, check out this. Look at that. What y'all think? Give me your thoughts on that one. It's Supra! Basically rounding down the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. More videos to come, but that's pretty much it for the video today. I'm gonna try to get more consistent with it. It's just kind of been hard with family being over and everything. But with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We got a user mark up ahead, no cops. But keep it authentic, y'all. Until the next one, peace.